What?
I have gotten a ton of suggestions to try 5 days of a capsule wardrobe, and before this video, I didn't even know what a capsule wardrobe was. According to the woman who coined this term, a capsule wardrobe is a collection of a few essential items of clothing that don't go out of fashion. Today, I invited Channing Hargrove, the fashion news writer at Refinery 29, to my apartment so that she could help me tackle stage 1 of creating this capsule wardrobe.
What is the first step? Where do I start?
Okay, the first thing, are you ready for this?
Yes.
You're going to have to clean your closet out. I think you should really try to stick within the range of 5 to 10 items. You want staples and 1 or 2 statement pieces.
Right.
So anything that is maybe a little too print heavy or too loud in terms of color.
So this isn't making it into the capsule wardrobe?
No, I don't think it will.
So today I packed up 2 full suitcases that I'm gonna bring home to where my parents live and store it there. And then I packed up 4 garbage bags filled with clothing and shoes, and I brought them over to a donation center. Drum roll, please. Here is what I picked. Black high-waisted jeans, a little black tank top, which is longer than you think and also doubles as a little black dress, a button-down striped shirt, a long-sleeve shirt with stripes going in the other direction, rose gold booties that are very comfortable because I have to wear them for 5 days, and a bright coral jacket because with such neutral colors in the rest of the wardrobe, sometimes you just gotta let your color pop. I am really determined to put together a whole range of versatile outfits with these 6 items this week. Black jeans, the button-down striped shirt, and my rose gold boots, striped turtleneck long sleeve underneath my little black dress, and of course my rose gold boots. But tonight I'm meeting Michael for a dinner date, so my plan is to slink out of the long sleeve turtleneck and just leave on the little black dress. The shirt that I wore as a shirt on Monday is a skirt today. I tucked the black tank top into it, threw on this choker with these feathers for a little pop of color, and put on my booties. Black jeans tucked into the booties instead of rolled up like they were on Monday, my striped long sleeve turtleneck, and I added this pop of a bright yellow scarf to give it some life. All black everything except for my rose gold boots and this pop of pink on my neck. It was starting to feel a little limiting by the end, and I almost felt as if I was on a clothing diet.
I really think all of those outfits were versatile, cool. A lot of people could wear them, and a lot of ages could wear them, you know?
And that's the point, is that it's not supposed to look like a clothing diet. This was just a challenge for a 5-day challenge, but you will want something that's 30 items around. And just so that you guys know, the capsule wardrobe does not include pajamas, underwear, workout clothes. This is just your everyday basics. Just show of hands, how many people look in their closet and feel decision fatigue every morning? I have so many items of clothes, but I don't know what to wear.
And you don't know what to do and how to put it together. Right.
This is supposed to help mitigate decision fatigue. If you have fewer items and you maybe have preset combos that you've taken some snapshots of, you now have a selection of outfits that you can put together. And once you change it up, as we'll see with the accessory table, everything looks different. Yes, you're seeing a ton of accessories here that can just totally change
this is
an
how
outfit.
you freshen all of this.
Yes, and there are a couple of other tips. I mean, with what you're seeing here, when you have stripes, if you're gonna have 2 things with stripes, try having one with these vertical stripes and one with horizontal stripes.
Good tip.
That changes it up. The next thing is you don't want too many prints or too many bold colors in your capsule, so you're seeing I have one bright jacket here that, I mean, what do you think? I think when I put this on, it just totally changes
It completely
the look.
does, yeah.